Hey guys, this will be one very basic tutorial how to check your fuses in Audi TT Mk2. First of all, if there is anything engine related, you have a box of fuses in here, so just move these two things down, maybe remove this isolation, then just push the whole thing up. The main fuse box contains high current fuses. This is used in charging systems, engine management and radiator cooling fans. But typically you would want to access fuses which are right here in the driver's doors. See an opening which can be opened with a screwdriver, or in an emergency it can also be opened with your key. So just push key in and just pry this open, and then finish it up with your hand. And here behind you will find your fuses, and on the cover you can find all the information necessary to figure out or to diagnose which of the fuses or which fuse leads to some of the electronic devices in your car. If you're looking for the fuse for the radio, typically it's not here. Radio has its own fuse in it itself on the wires, on the power wires to the radio. So in this case you need to remove the radio. If, for example, car does not want to start and we think that it is a starter, which is wrong, first what we want to check is of course the fuse to the starter, because if it's blown, of course starter will not work. In this case we just look for the starter, which is just here. So we can see it's the fuse number box 31 and it is a 40 amp fuse. Typically all Audi fuse boxes also have this tool to remove the fuses. So you just take this. The number 31 is bottom left here. So let's go into the car and let's see where this is. So we set bottom left, and 40 amp fuse is just right here. We take this tool and we place it over the fuse and just push it out. It's simple like that. You can see that the wire is totally fine, so we place the fuse back. So typically it does not matter which direction it goes back, but just in any case you can just put it the same way it came. So now you can also like take any of them out the same way and just put them back in. We'll put this back, and now this goes back into the car. There are two pins, on one here, and two pins on the side. So first you place the side in, make sure that this pin goes into this hole, this pin goes into that hole, and then just push it in here and here. So perfect. And that's it. That's how you check your fuses in your Audi TT Mk2. Thanks for watching and see you next time.